Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you will all fine at your house and stay safe, stay at your home. Today, as in the last lecture, we discussed about the flip-flops, and it was a brief lecture. But eventually, due to Corona, COVID again, it was not possible for us to elaborate that lecture once again. So, it is the next chapter, and the next chapter for you in electronics 2 is shift resistors. So, we will discuss upon the shift resistors today. What is the shift resistor? We have to see first what is the working of shift resistors, how a shift resistor works, and in which sort of processing function it can do. So it is not a much difficult topic. What is the shift resistor? We come towards the definition, and as it is stated in the definition that it is a combination of memory elements which is used to store data, which is used to store data, which is used to store data. What is a memory element? A memory element is basically a flip-flop. As we studied in the last chapter that the memory elements, the basic unit which stores a single temporary bit, that is called a flip-flop. So the combination of flip-flops combinedly prepare or construct a register. What is the working of a shift register? Shift registers are basically used to transfer the data and storing the data. Temporarily they store the data and they move the data towards any condition. So it is a combination of memory elements which is used to store data. These memory elements are basically flip-flops. As I stated to you before, usually these flip-flops are used to store data in a shift register. Simply to come towards its explanation, we may have we can understand that the combination of D types, for example, two D type flip-flops make two bits shift register, so it can easily transfer two bits shift registering or shift storing the data and to transfer the data towards any condition. And we cover towards the types of shift registers. Number one, shift register, right shift register. This is a shift register that is known as right shift register. On second type, we have shift register left, right shift register, left shift register, and then number three, shift right, left and right register. Shift register, left and right shift registers. So there are three types. One, right shift register, left shift register, and then right left shift registers. Uh, Now, what is the shift right shift register or shift right register right? It is a such type of shift register in which applying a clock pulse, a clock pulse, data moves towards right. Whenever we apply a clock pulse on a shift register, right shift registers, what happens? What happens that on applying a clock pulse, the data travels from left to right side. Left shift register is a such type of shift register which on applying clock pulse that moves the data towards left side. Simply from right side to left side, data will transfer on applying the clock pulse. It's a common thing. On third point, we have shift right, left shift register. What is the right, left shift register? It's just such type of a shift register. On applying clock pulse, data can easily move towards either in the right position or left side direction of the data. We can temporarily store the data on the D type shift registers and we can easily transfer the data towards right or the left conditions. So it's a simple introduction of the shift registers. In the next lecture, I will brief you completely with its circuit construction and its block diagram and its timing diagram in the truth tables, different truth tables and variations, how shift register is working. The examination importance of this topic is that I have a data record of till 2014. Not furthermore, I have calculated this, but according to different data, examination importance for this question is that this question was appeared in second annual examination of 2012, first annual examination of 2014, second annual examination of 2013, and then first annual examination of 2013. So till now, this question is very much important. You people have to concentrate on this topic, and I'm hopeful that whenever you will study this topic practically, you will enjoy this topic. It's very cool and very comfortable. Very comfortably you will understand this topic. Hopefully, very much grateful to all of you for your messages through which you are very much concerned with me. And this is my request to you that kindly note this lecture on your assignment registers, assignment papers, and kindly send me on my Google Classroom account. Thank you so much. Pray for me, and I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.